Hello and welcome to another edition of Vostech Screencast Online. What I'd like to do today is to show you how to create a signature in Zimbra. Firstly, click on the Preferences tab just on the top menu there, and then we're going to go and select Mail on the left hand side. What I want to do initially is just make sure that we're actually sending as HTML. So if you go down to Composing Messages and then just make sure that the radio button is dotted down as HTML, which it already is, so that's great. Now on the left hand side, select Signatures. Let's create a name for our signature. I'm going to call this Main Sig. And what we're going to do, we're going to create a signature that's got some different formatting, and also we're going to add a picture as well. So what we need to do is check from the drop down, just choose Format as HTML. Plain text would be absolutely fine if we wanted to just have a thank you and our name without any kind of formatting. So we're going to choose Format as HTML. You notice then a toolbar pops up here, which you'll all be used to from Microsoft Word or LibreOffice, same kind of thing. Click into the box, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to press enter once just to bring the carriage return down one, and that gives us a nice space between the body of our email and the actual signature. Let's type kind regards Andy. Here we go, and I'm going to add my telephone number right here, and then I'm going to add a fax number as well. Okay, now I've pressed enter a couple of times and I would like to insert a logo. So again, from this top menu here, we go to Insert Edit Image, select that and browse to where our file is kept. I'm going to use this one here. Press open and then OK. Because I've already used this particular logo in the past, it's asking me if I want to create a new one or whether I want to keep the existing. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new one just to overwrite it, but at that point it doesn't really matter too much. In the preview there you can see that I've added the logo. What we need to do now is tell Zimbra which signature to actually use in what circumstance. So just down the bottom here under using signatures, we've got an option to choose a drop down here for new messages. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the main sig for my new messages that we just created. We're also going to create a separate signature for replies and forwards. So let's go ahead and click on new signature, and I'm going to call this one reply sig, and again I'm going to format as HTML because I'd like to keep the text looking exactly the same. Remembering to press enter once to put the carriage return down one, and then I'm going to say just kind regards Andy, and that's it. I'm not going to put anything else in there. And what we can do then under the using signatures, we can choose reply sig for our replies and forwards. Simply save just on the top left hand corner there. If we'd like to go and amend, just go back into Preferences and back into the signature we'd like to amend. Simply click on the text, and let's for instance say I want to make my name bold. We can go ahead and do that. Again on the reply signature, let's go ahead and make it bold. That's great, and then save in the top left hand corner. Now when we create a new message, you can see the new signature that we've created with our new bold text and the image. And also if we just cancel that a second and go to reply to a previous mail, you'll also notice there that we've just got our reply signature that we've used. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video tutorial useful.